Hey everybody, I'm back, and today we're going to try the Mrs. Wages pasta sauce tomato mix. Make up some spaghetti sauce. We're going to need 6 pounds of fresh tomatoes. It's about 18 medium tomatoes, or 6 cans, which I'm using, of the petite diced tomatoes. And we need 1/4 cup of sugar. And of course the Mrs. Wages pasta sauce mix. I've got everything ready to go. My jars are getting cleaned and sterilized. I'm going to get started on opening up my tomatoes, and I'll be right back with you in a little bit. Okay, I've got my jars processed and ready, and now I'm going to add the sugar. My tomatoes are pureed. The sugar. And the Mrs. Wages packet. Just a minute. Okay, I've got all that added. Mix well. And I'm going to do this and get this to simmering, and I'll be right back with you in just a little bit. Okay, now what we have to do is we've got to bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat, and let it simmer for 25 minutes before we jar it up. Okay, I'll be right back after it's ready to be jarred. Y'all, this smells and tastes great. If you like spaghetti or pizza, or I recommend that you try this recipe. Okay, the sauce is ready to be put over into the jars. We'll get it over in there and see how many we come up. Now, I did 2 batches of the tomato sauce, so I just doubled my recipe. Okay, I've got it over into the jars. I got 4 quarts out of a double batch of the pasta sauce. Mrs. Wages. Smells great. Tastes awesome. I'm going to get it over into the hot water bath and process it for 40 minutes. And then it'll be good to go. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you don't mind. Till next time, bye-bye.